Hello, it's George and welcome to George Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy Wolf Save Per People token on Trustwallet. First of all, I want to mention that this is not financial advice, it's just video tutorial how to buy it. So, if you decide to buy this token, first of all, you need to have Trustwallet on your mobile phone. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store and go through verification. After you go through verification, then open Trustwallet, and now you need to buy BNB. Because to buy Wolf Save Per People token, you need to swap your BNB. So go to Trustwallet and buy BNB on your Trustwallet account. After you buy BNB, then swap your BNB to Smart Chain BNB, and now go back to CoinMarketCap. Now you need to copy the contract address, which is here down below. Click the copy icon and go back to Trustwallet. Now you should click the apps, choose PancakeSwap. Don't forget to click the connect button in the top right corner and connect your Trustwallet account. Now click select currency, paste the contract address we copied in CoinMarketCap and import this new token here. Click import and then choose the amount of this new token and then swap your BNB to it. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel if you like this video, because I want to reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. Thank you.